guys, welcome back to channel SciTech Guru. In this video I'm going to talk about the black color crush issue in the Realme GT Neo 2 about the users comments. Yes friends, I did get a lot of comments regarding the black color crush issue. The users who did order the Realme GT Neo 2 and they are messaging that they did discover the black color crush issue. That's what I'm going to show you in this video, what are the comments I did get. Please friends, once after you get the Realme GT Neo 2, try to check for the black color crush issue. And one more quick note, this problem cannot happen in all the phones. Maybe only in the few phones, few units, this problem can definitely happen. Maybe it's not calibrated properly or something, but still try to check once after you get the phone always. If you find any kind of black color crush issue, try to check multiple videos. Don't come to the conclusion by watching one video. Try to check multiple videos, YouTube, Amazon Prime, Netflix or Hotstar. Try to use these applications and then come to the conclusion. And right now I'll try to show you the couple of comments which I got. As you can see, these are the comments which I'm getting from one of the user of my subscriber, and as you can see, they were definitely happy with the performance. Yes friends, performance no doubt. I don't have any complaints. Till now I did not speak anything about the performance because that is another strong point for this phone. So definitely. And next is there is some black color crush issue, but not a big problem because they cannot see much. So it's like if you try to see it only, then you will try to observe, but in some units you may be able to see it huge. In some units it's not that big problem. That's a difference. There's a difference between one unit to other unit. You need to definitely understand. And is another problems. Another user also reported the same thing about the Realme GT Neo 2 regarding the black color crush issue. You can see they did order the Realme GT Neo 2 and there is a black color issue, and they are asking me what to do. So better try to apply for the replacement. First try to check multiple videos. That's what I did advise. So try to check multiple videos, try to watch, try to use multiple application as well, and if you see the black color crush issue, try to apply for the replacement. As you can see friends, so this is a problem not only in this phone, basically even in the Realme, in the Mi 11X as well, with the E4 type AMOLED panel, this can be happening. And I did ask them to apply for the replacement as soon as possible before the replacement date finish. And is another comment which I got regarding this black color crush issue as well. As you can see, they did order the Realme GT Neo 2 and they did receive the phone, and watching few videos, dark and black environment videos, they are able to see the black color getting crush issue. So yes friends, as I said, this is not a huge big problem, but this can be problematic for few users who are keen into watching videos and movies. So most of the time, maybe Marvel movies or those kind of TV shows. So maybe in the black color environment, then you will be able to feel that kind of crush issue happening in the Realme GT Neo 2. You can definitely apply for the replacement. Even if the replacement, still if the problem is coming, and if you're not happy, you can definitely return it. But this is not a huge problem. This is not it's not a big problem when compared with other phones, Mi 11X device and ROG Phone 3 as well. ROG Phone 3 has got big problem with the black color crush issue. So when you compare with those phones, little bit less, but still the problem is there. In the Mi 11X device, you can actually prevent the problem by turning on the HDR mode. If you turn on HDR mode, the problem is gone. But in this phone, there is no such option HDR mode to disable that kind of crush issues. That's the one thing we should definitely understand. And here are the comments which I'm getting friends. And in case, if you buy the Realme GT Neo 2, if you have the issues, let me know in the comment section below. If you don't have the issues also, let me know in the comment section below, because I just want to see how many users are actually facing these issues and how many users not facing this issue. So in this way, it will be helpful for other users also who are actually planning to buy the phone. They can buy with the confidence after watching the comments. Please try to comment under the video. That's it friends, thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off and bye. These are the few comments which I'm getting on the Realme GT Neo 2 as well. I did ask few of the subscribers, ask the Realme team as well regarding these problems, and they did message in the Twitter and they deleted the messages and they asked to message personal, as you can see. So that's the other comments which I thought of just showing you. These are the comments which I'm getting friends related to the Realme GT Neo 2 problem. So make sure to check the phone before you buy. After you buy, you cannot check before obviously, but after you buy, try to check it. If you're not satisfied, try to apply for the replacement. As I said, this problem can be in the few units, not in all the phones. Thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video, and let's stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.